Good day, class. Today we're going to talk about the lattice method or lattice multiplication. Lattice multiplication is also known as the Italian method. So, meaning to say, lattice method is originated from the country of Italy way back in 1478. It is a method of multiplication that uses a lattice to multiply multi-digit numbers. It is mathematically identical to the more commonly used long multiplication, the one that we are using, but it breaks the process into smaller steps which some practitioners find easier to use. Okay, so let's say for example 987 times 89. So we have to draw a lattice or a box. So let's say for example 987. 987 has 3 digits. Mean to say we have to draw a box containing 3 columns. Okay, so we have to draw 3 columns, and then as you can see our multiplier has a 2-digit numbers. Okay, so we have to draw 2 rows. Okay, as in making a lattice, in using lattice method, we have to write the multiplicand at the top of the lattice. So 9 here, 8 is here, and 7 is here. Of course, the multiplier will be written here at the side of the lattice. We have 9 here, and 8, and we have 9 here. So we have to draw a diagonal line across each box. Now take note, each space is good only for one number or one digit. So let's start finding the product of 987 and 89 using the lattice method. So we have first 8, the first digit of the multiplier. Okay, let's multiply 8 times 7 is 56. So it's a 2-digit product. So we have to write here 5 and 6 is here. We have 8 times 8 is 64. 6 here and 4 here. We have 9 times 8 is 72. 7 here and 2 is here. Now we're done multiplying 8. Now let's proceed to the next digit. We have 9. We have 9 times 7 is 63. We have 9 times 8, 72. And we have 9 times 9 is 81. Now, after multiplying the multipliers and the multiplicand, let's add diagonally. We're not going to add vertically. So let's say for example, we have 3. Nothing to add with 3, so we have to write 3 only. Now, let's proceed to the next diagonal number. Okay, we have this diagonal number. Okay, we have 6 plus 6 plus 2 is 14. So 14, we have to carry 1 here. We have 5 plus 4, 9, plus 7 is 16, plus 1 is 17, and plus 1 is 18. Carry 1 here. Okay, let's proceed to the next diagonal set of numbers. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Carry 1. So we have 7 plus 1 is 8. Now, our product, when we multiply 987 times 89, the product is 87,000. Okay, we have 87, and okay, we have 87,843. So this is our final answer. See, it is very easy to use, especially when we are multiplying long numbers or bigger numbers. So let's take another example. So let's say we have 754 times 86. So we will find the product of 754 and 86 using the lattice method. Again, as you can see, the multiplicand has 3 digits and the multiplier has 2 digits. We're going to draw a box containing 3 columns and 2 rows. Okay, now let's write our multiplicand here. 7, 5, 4 and 86 here. Then let's draw a diagonal line across each box. Okay, now let's start multiplying. So we have 8 times 4 is 32. We have 8 times 5 is 40. And 8 times 7 is 56. Now let's have 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. And 6 times 7 is 42. Now let's add the the diagonal set of numbers. We have 4, nothing to add with 4, so let's write 4. Now let's proceed to the next set of numbers. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 0 is 4. And we have 3 plus 0 plus 3, 6 plus 2 is 8. And we have 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 4 is 14. Carry 1 here. We have 5 plus 1 is 6. So our product is 64,844. So again, our final answer is 64,844. You can check if our answer is correct using your calculator. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, let's have a 523 times 31. Okay, we have 523 times 31, so multipliers, the multiplicand has 3 digits. We have to draw 3 columns. Okay, and the multiplier has 2 digits, so let's draw 2 rows. Okay, let's write 523 and 31. Don't forget to draw a diagonal across each box. Okay, let's start multiplying. Let's have 3 first. Okay, we have 3 times 3 is 9. So since our answer is a single digit, so we have to write 0 here. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 is here and 0 is here. 5 times 3 is 15. Now let's have 1. Of course, when you multiply a number by any number, the answer is the number itself. So we have 1 times 3 is 3. So again, our answer is a single digit or 1 digit, so we have to write 0 here. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 times 5 is 5. Now let's add up the diagonal number. We have nothing to add with 3, so let's write 3. Now let's have 9 plus 0 is 9 plus 2 is 11. 11, carry 1 here. 0 plus 6 is 6 plus 0 is 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 1 is 12. Carry 1 here. And 0 plus 5 is 5 plus 0 is 5 plus 1 is 6. And lastly, we have 1. So our answer is 16,213. 16,213. That's all. So hope you learn and see you on our next lesson. Bye.